goers, but we became friends.
Hi, I'm Van. Hi, I'm Sydney. Hi, I'm Jason. Hi, I'm Ron.
We all went through the solo goers, but we became friends.
Masaya kasi syempre we were joined kasi we have the same interests and all because of twice.
For today, I was able to meet Michael once. It's a great experience to have a friend that you relate in the music and have the same idols.
So next, we compose sa future events ay of course to make new contest ko katulad ng ano pang nangyayari sa amin today and more activities po and freebies of course. Yes, Filipino language.